The world record for holding your breath is 24 minutes and 37 seconds. Most of us tap out at around 60 seconds. So, what's actually happening inside your body during those seconds? And why does it feel so impossible to keep going? When you take a deep breath and hold it, the first few seconds feel fine. Your body has just loaded up with fresh oxygen. Your blood is carrying it to every organ. Your heart is pumping steadily. Nothing feels wrong yet, but the countdown has already started. Here's the part most people get wrong. You don't feel the urge to breathe because you're running out of oxygen. You feel it because carbon dioxide is building up. Every cell in your body produces CO2 as a waste product. Normally, you breathe it out constantly. When you hold your breath, it has nowhere to go. Your blood CO2 levels start to rise. Your brain detects this, and it does not like it. Around 30 seconds in, your diaphragm, the large muscle under your lungs, starts to contract involuntarily. These are the spasms you feel in your chest. Your body is physically trying to make you breathe. Your brain is sending signals down your brainstem. Breathe, breathe, breathe. You're overriding it with willpower, but the signals are getting louder. By the 1 minute mark, your blood oxygen is starting to drop and CO2 is climbing fast. Your heart rate slows slightly, a reflex called the diving response, inherited from our ancestors who needed to survive underwater. Blood flow redirects away from your limbs and towards your heart and brain to protect the most critical organs. Your spleen actually squeezes and releases stored red blood cells into circulation, extra oxygen carriers just in case. Your body is doing everything it can to keep you alive. This is where most untrained people give up. The urge to breathe has become overwhelming. The diaphragm spasms are painful. Your vision may start to blur at the edges. CO2 levels in the blood are now high enough to trigger a mild panic response. Your instinct is screaming at you. Free divers and competitive breath holders train themselves to recognize the CO2 alarm and consciously separate the urge to breathe from actual danger. They also use a technique called lung packing, taking multiple breaths to force extra air into the lungs before the attempt. And crucially, they slow their heart rate through meditation and calm, reducing the rate at which oxygen is consumed. There is a point where holding your breath becomes genuinely dangerous. When blood oxygen drops low enough, you can lose consciousness without warning. There is no dramatic feeling of, I'm about to pass out. 1 second you're fine, the next you're not. This is called shallow water blackout, and it kills swimmers every year who hyperventilate before diving. Never practice breath holding alone in water, ever. So to recap, when you hold your breath, CO2 builds up and triggers the urge to breathe. Your diaphragm spasms. Your diving reflex slows your heart and redirects blood to your brain. Your spleen releases extra red blood cells. And if you push too far without training, you can lose consciousness suddenly and without warning. Your body is extraordinarily clever. It's fighting to keep you alive even when you're working against it. Follow for more. Every video we go inside the body and show you exactly what's happening.